Okay, a few people have been reviewing the Vibe Optisound 8 in-car subwoofer. I'm just doing a quick demo here, just to sort of try and show you the effect of the sound from this unit. So I'm going to gradually bring the bass up, and when I give you a thumbs up, that means it's at the level I like. So here we go. I'm going to turn the volume up a bit, and we're going to start off with flat. Okay, I'm going to start bringing it up now. Okay, that's about halfway. And here we are. I'm going to bring it down again. About halfway now. And flat. So I hope that helps. Obviously everyone's got their different taste. For me, this subwoofer works well with house music, trance, techno, bit of garage, little bit of drum and bass, but not proper, it's not gonna push as hard as a proper subwoofer would, but my goodness, this thing saves you some space. I like it. So yeah, I picked mine up for about £50. I've screwed it to the back seats, so it sits in the boot facing the back, the tailgate. That's about all there is. I hope that helps. Thanks for watching.